What's up and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be taking a look at some Nike Dunks in the strawberry milk colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review for you, the channel. Welcome, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat, I mean a ton of heat coming out that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. Also be sure to check out our join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there as well as an amazing merch store. So if you're looking to add some shade gear to your wardrobe, check that website after this video is done. So as mentioned earlier, we are gonna be talking about a similar dunk that we've already done a video on, which was originally the chocolate milks. Now we have the strawberry milks. So I am going to go through the overview of this dunk, then we're going to jump into size and fit, followed by a little bit of a comparison between the two, and then we are going to talk about how I styled these. This is a fun colorway, a little bit different than the chocolate milks, but definitely an exciting colorway to have fun with. Then we're going to conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So we've got like the really cool velvety material going on the front of the toe box here in a nice light powder pink. Then we've got just that neutral, nice high quality leather toe box in this cream color scheme. We've got the rope laces in this paisley pink, a nice deeper, richer pink for that tongue. And then we've got that Nike emblem going on here on what I thought was a piece of paper, but this is actually Tyvek, the label, and it's very sturdy. Like this is actually really hard to rip, but very cool, just accent on there. And then as far as the eyelets go, we've got some more pink color schemes going on here, but this time this is actually almost a white pink color scheme going on here in comparison to this on the toe box, which kind of hits the light a little bit differently and is a little bit more shiny. So let's look at those details before we move on to the side panels. All right, so one of my favorite parts of this shoe has to be the swoosh on this. So I love the chocolate milks, but this one actually you can see the milk inside the actual swoosh, which is really cool. It looks like it's kind of spilled and it's moving inside in this gel-like form. And I think it's really cool, that kind of sorbet orange that they decided to go with. I think it really just pops off of the cream leather as well as this kind of deeper, richer pink that you see on the heel. Then we've got that nice accent of that deep, rich pink for the swoosh there. Working our way to the back of the heel, you'll notice we've got more of that velvety, nice pop of pink that really has this metallic pop of color to it. And then when we work our way around, we've got the same verbiage that we had on the chocolate milks with the ingredients: Nike sportswear, social status, milky TPU gel swoosh, YY velvet. So we've got just basically all the different types of materials, the nubuck on here, the textile lining, and the round twisted poly laces. So we also have a secondary option of laces, just like the chocolate milks, but this time it is in that kind of sorbet orange color scheme, which I really love this color. I don't know what it is about it, but I really just like it. I think it would look dope actually with this. I think it really does pop and vibe well with that swoosh. But I do like the rope laces as well. So as we saw in the chocolate milk version, we had like a little coin pouch for school lunches, of course. And this time, this pouch is a hot pink color scheme. So super cool that we've got this added in there, and it's got the Nike social status dual branding on the back. For those of you who want more information or more in-depth detail on the chocolate milks, go back and be sure to check out that video. James just did such an impeccable job with this collaboration, and it really brought him back to his days at school lunches. And I was somebody who was on reduced school lunches where I got a discount on it, and I also had free lunch as well. So definitely milk was kind of on the table when it came to what we got with our lunches. It was either chocolate milk or just regular milk. I wish we had strawberry milk. Oh my God, I would have chosen strawberry milk every single day, but that was not the case. As far as the other details go, we've got just a cream midsole, and the outsole is just a nice kind of chocolatey brown color scheme. Very well done. I love these colors, and I love how different it is from the original chocolate milk one that I first did, but I do think that the strawberry milk is also very appealing and different. So James Whitner, impeccable job well done. I love these strawberry hued shoes, and I think it's just a nice variation to the chocolate milks. All right, so as far as size and fit, I will say one thing. There was a little bit of controversy on people calling this a mid. Well, Nike right now currently still has these listed as mids. I understand that James said that this was just a different variation of a cut, so he should maybe speak to Nike, I guess, if they want that removed. But as far as the labeling goes, this is considered a mid, according to Nike. But as far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have high arch narrow feet. If you do have wider flat feet, this could differentiate what size works best for you. But I would say stick true to size on this one. All right, now let's talk about the key differences. I'm gonna pull out the chocolate milk. So as you can see, the swoosh mark, in my opinion, on the strawberry milks is just so much cooler just because you actually have that milky effect. Though I do love how much this pink does pop off the chocolatey tones on this shoe. We still have the same textures, except that I would say the velvet is actually kind of swapped here. So you've got it on the toe box versus the nubuck here, and the nubuck on here on the front of the toe box. So that's the main key difference. And then we've just got, you know, some different color schemes that work better, I feel like, for the chocolate versus the strawberry. We still have the rope laces, and again, you did get a secondary option for laces with this one, as well as a little coin pouch. This one had a brown coin pouch on it and a different outsole. So this one has a pop of blue, and this one's got that kind of nice chocolatey brown to it. All right, now let's jump into styling. So much fun styling these. I love the pink hues that James decided to bring out in this collaboration. So I really wanted to bring some pinks into my wardrobe. The first look, I want to give a huge shout out to Stadium Goods. Thank you so much, Stadium Goods, for sending this piece over to me. So I actually got a piece from Stadium Goods that was a collaboration with Aaron D. Garcia, is part of Paraíso, which was the collaboration that was done with Stadium Goods on the shirt that they sent over to me, and he is an LA-based painter. Aaron did a great job with this collab. This button-down shirt just is so emblematic of how cool his paintings are, and I felt like it fit perfectly with the strawberry dunk, so I had to pair it with this look. I paired a white simple tank underneath that, and for the bottoms I wore some simple essentials pants in this khaki color scheme, which I think really again vibed well with the nice chocolatey hues of this outsole.
Don't tell me what I gotta do, no. Understand that I'm the truth. I ain't really got a lot to lose. That's why I fuck with you. Now I'm not really one for attention. Shine a light through a prism full spectrum. Pull the curtains back, you in my dimension. Lay back and just forget the pressure. Always in my life, but it's alright.
For the second look, I wanted to pair this with my Supreme North Face piece. I just felt like all of the different colors for the text really matched this shoe to a T. So I wanted to pair that with, again, some nice just cargo pants that had a nice khaki hue to it, because I think that this just vibes quite nicely with khakis, especially as we're working our way into the fall. I think this is something I'm going to be coordinating into my fall wardrobe as well as winter. And I feel like that Supreme kind of piece just really pulled from the accents of this shoe quite nicely.
See where I come from, people never make it out. I'm a 5-star brain in a 2-star town, and I'ma give it back when I have enough money in my hands, enough for the friends and the fam, and I owe it all to Yahweh. Lord knows that I couldn't do it my way. Almost bought a ticket for the fast lane. Now I'm hopping on a flight to the Everglades to forget the pressure.
The last and final look, I kept it very simple with my North Face white t-shirt on the Supreme collab that they recently did, and I paired that with some nice beige biker shorts.
Don't tell me what I gotta do. Understand that I'm the truth. I ain't really got a lot to lose. That's why I fuck with you. Lay back and just forget the pressure. Always in my life, but it's alright. So lightning in my mind, it's alright.
You let me know out of the three, what was your favorite piece, or how would you style these? Resale. So these shoes retailed at $130 and they are currently going from $190 to $260 depending on your size. All right, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much everybody for tuning in. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out our join button and our merch store. That's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is Shade TV. We will catch you all in the next video.